Place this ring in the central hole of the knitting machine. Pick out a line from the middle knot at a time. Align them with the matching color on the pattern card. Align the number on the pattern card with the number on the edge of the knitting machine, and place the line between the hooks. Once all the ropes are tied, gently pull the rope from the outer edge of the knitting machine, so that the rope will be tight and the knot ring will be preserved. Hold your knitting machine and let slot 1 be on the top, just like 12 o'clock on the clock. Find a set of strings adjacent to slots 1 and 2 on the top of the kit. Pick up the rope on the right, that is, the rope in slot 2, and remove it from the 2 hooks. It will now be placed in slot 20 opposite the loom, just like 6 o'clock on the clock. Find out the 3 groups of strings adjacent to each other in slots 22, 21 and 20 at the bottom of the knitting machine. Pick up the line on the left, that is, in slot 22, and take it out of the pins. It will now be placed in slot 40 opposite the loom. Rotate your loom slightly counterclockwise so that your next string is at the top or 12 o'clock position, according to the pattern card. This may be slots 5 and 6, or slots 6 and 7. In short, it is to remember this method. The strings taken from the upper right are always placed at the lower right, while the strings taken from the lower left are always placed at the upper left. Simple memory formula: lower right and upper left. When you repeat steps 11 to 13, wristbands will weave a section that grows below the center of the loom. In order to achieve the best effect, hold the knot bracelet firmly under the knitting machine to keep the rope tight and even. Repeat these steps until your bracelet is long enough to fit your wrist. Loosen all the ropes and clamp them at the end of the wristbands to form the center of the wristbands. Use all your ropes to tie a big knot at the end of the bracelet. Leave about 3 to 4 inches of rope and cut off the rest. Thread a rope through a half-inch loop and tie it to your bracelet. This simple and beautiful friendship bracelet is ready.